Okay, you've told us that you have clients that you have sold to motorbikes, 40,000 times 150,000. That is 6 billion. 6 billion is good money. Kama kuna challenges zetu wenyewe, mambo kidogo, but I can assure you, these are people that if I call people from a certain sub-county, I will always meet them and discuss the issues affecting them. As I'm talking, I gave these people 3 million cash. The president gave me 2 million. That money has ever remained in the bank because there is no proper way of giving that money to them. What credit you think around how it can add value for close to 2.5 years, isn't it? Your business is go bank. Our ratio, the 5 million Konani, when we go to somebody can be able to craft something to wonder how it can help these people. At the end of the day, you put on your what to do. Once a year, they be able to build their capacity. So that's also, I have heard people clear. You replace able. Clear build there's a partner, our water, wale ambao wanaweza hiyo loan wasaidiane na wao. Nataka kwamba kwenda PC trade finally.
Really important for you to have that document that shows you are the owner of this asset. So we are doing this machinani, getting as close as possible to the customer. So we've done several clinics, we're calling them Watu clinics. One of it was done in Malindi, last week we were in Nakuru, today we are here, and next week we'll be in Omagh County replicating the same thing. So we are partnering very closely with NTSA and other partners that are helping us finance assets to ensure that customers are able to get their loans. So apart from logbooks, we're giving out all the services that are available for Watu Credit. We're giving out logbooks to customers just to drive ownership. There are a lot of regulations that are coming in place. I don't know if you're aware, there's a IRA has given out a circular, I think early this year, that for you to have an insurance, you need to have a logbook. So we have to ensure that the boda community understands the importance of that logbook, because you not be able to have insurance if you do not have your logbook.
Ya uzuri ili economy yetu ili tuendelee vizuri mpaka wakati ujao. Tunashukuru sana na tunapenda kuwashukuru wana Watu Credit kwa kuwezesha na kufanikisha sherehe hii na mafanikisho haya.
You need to have a logbook. So we have to ensure that the boda community understands the importance of that logbook, because you not be able to have insurance if you do not have your logbook. So there's a lot of things, registration in circles, etc. This is coming. So we have to ensure that we are aligned in that direction. And for me, it's a victory. Like it's a big task to actually go on and pay every day to complete your loan. So for me, a logbook is like a certificate for the hard work that the boda person has actually done. And for me, it's a very big celebration when I see a lot of logbooks being issued out.